Hey kids, many birds are here. Let's start with this one. You know about this bird? It's a parrot. Wow, parrot has green color and its beak is red. Hey parrot, go back your home. Where it is? It's right here at the first place in this puzzle. Choose now this one. It's a peacock. Peacock has many feathers. Wow, it looks so nice. Hey peacock, where your home? I think so. Here. Yes, it fits. Congratulations. Next we choose this. Do you know about this one? It's a duck. Ducks swim in water. Hey duck, where your home? It's here. Now, how about this one? Hey, it looks so pretty. It's a sparrow. Wow. Hey sparrow, go back your home. Wow. Let's continue again. Let me choose this one. It's a black color crow. Here? No, it's not fit. Right here. Hey, what is this? It's a pigeon. This one, it's a bulbul. Brown and black color bulbul. Hey bulbul, go back to your home. Bye bye. Now only one place is left. What is this? It's the owl. Owl is a night bird because it's not sleep in night. So, go back your home. Yes, our puzzle board is complete. Wow. Okay, meet you soon in next video. Bye bye kids. Take care.